Hi guys! It's Mads Vlog here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to make DIY hand sanitizer using 2 ingredients only. So these are the 2 ingredients that we need. We have this aloe vera gel and isopropyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol. I already measured it, guys. So this one we need 200 ml of aloe vera gel and 100 ml of alcohol. So we're just going to mix it. Seems my bowl is too small. You can put some essence oil if you have some, but it's an optional. I changed my bowl because it's too small. You just mix it very well. So the proportion, guys, is 1:2. 1 portion of alcohol is equivalent to 2 portion of aloe vera. So this is it, guys. We had our own DIY hand sanitizer. I'll be using empty shampoo bottle. I washed it very well and keep it dry so I can keep this hand sanitizer in here. So guys, this is our finished product. Aloe vera is good for moisturizing the skin. So they mix it together with other alcohol. Since alcohol, we know it's antibacterial, disinfectant, and sometimes it makes the skin very dry. So if you make the sanitizer, you mix the aloe vera gel to keep it balance your skin. The gel will prevent your skin from drying and gives you this moisturizer that your skin needs. And of course the alcohol, you know the use of the alcohol. Since these days, because of the coronavirus, everybody is just like, all the shops is running out of this kind of disinfectant, hand sanitizers like that, and you can found sanitizers which are very expensive. So with this 300 ml of aloe vera gel, I bought it in Mannings. This one, you see it's 300 ml. It's only $21. It's on sale. Actually, the regular price I saw it's $29, but that time I went there it's only $21.50, so it's also discounted. And this alcohol, before the virus outbreak, I already had this alcohol and I bought it just like $25. So it's very easy, very cheap. So you can just do it yourself, your hand sanitizers. Learned something and I shared something useful ideas to you today. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up about this video, and comment down below if you have any suggestions or questions about the content. Thanks for watching. Bye. God bless.